These slokas define about action. In its essence, actions are born out of nature for every individual, as the nature and its attributes affects the individual. These slokas makes you aware about how your nature is getting and how it is getting affected. स्वे स्वे कर्मण्यभिरतः संसिद्धिं लभते नरः स्वकर्मनिरतः सिद्धिं यथा विन्दति च शृणु. Each one his own karma or work follows with perfection. How he achieves perfection, being engaged in his own karma, now hear from me. यतः प्रवृत्तिर्भूतानां येन सर्वम् इदं ततं स्वकर्मणा तमभ्यर्च्य सिद्धिं विन्दति मानवः. From whom emanation of all living beings has happened, whole cosmos has come through whom. Whole cosmos pervades him, performing one's own work or karma or action. By worshipping him, one attains perfection. Shreyan swadharmo viguna paradharmat swanustitat swabhavaniyatam karma kurvannapnoti kilvisham. Better is the way of living natural to you, although it may be appealing other person's way. Maybe other person's way is appealing to you, even if it is perfectly done, maybe outwardly showing, may not apply to you in long run. Karma prescribed as per your nature are never affected by sinful reactions. Sahajam karma kaunteya dosham apinatejet sarvarambha hi doshena dhumen agnir avrataha. Every endeavor is covered by some fault, just as fire is covered by smoke. One should not give up the work born by his nature. This sloka also has a deeper meaning as per Kriya Yoga. Kriya Yoga, which is being given by Lord Krishna to different masters in succession. Another master, now known as Deathless Master, living at Himalayas still now, maybe 3 or 4,000 years BC. Now, according to that philosophy, this sloka says, Sahaj karma, the natural happening karma is the breathing happens naturally. There's two ways, Ida, Pingla, Ha and Tha, by which balancing we do practicing of yoga. Vajramukti yoga, Kriya yoga, Nad yoga, Lay yoga, all kinds of yoga. Now, apart from these two, there is one which is known as Sushumna, the subtler vein by which one travels in the astral worlds. That is the natural karma or action of every being. When he closes his eyes and goes inside, he transcends these two yin and yang, negative and positive, and goes beyond. That is a Sahaj karma. That's what this sloka says. Natural way, action, natural way of living to go towards his inner being. Because religion is a way of living. That time there was no religion. When at the midst of the war this text was being said. So the main Sahaj karma, action which is natural, is to go inside, passing these through. That is the gist of Gita, Bhagavad Gita. And that is the real karma, I believe. Thank you.